today I got Savy Sliders. This place is all over Michigan. This is essentially like canes, I guess. Oh my freaking gosh. This is so beautiful. Today is more of a I want to eat something day rather than I'm going to eat what everyone else wants me to eat. So I gotta put me first, always. I got their Cajun fries. Absolutely phenomenal. This one looks nice and juicy. Are you guys ready? I don't think you are. Wow, they put a whole tender on here. Okay, let's try. When I tell you this is so good, it's so good. The chicken is so crispy, so crunchy. It's a cute little slider. It has like some ranch, some sauce, lettuce and pickle. Up close and personal. Look at the sun. Well, I'm always gonna rate this meal a 10 out of 10. It's serious. If you're in Michigan, go check out Savy Sliders. So good.